morning, students. I'm sitting here at my table with my Chromebook and with the Go Math book, and I'm trying to figure out what we should do with Unit 3 today. We know we're going to get to multiplication, but I haven't quite figured out what we're going to do for the activity. Let's see. Oh, there's someone at the door. Let's see who that could be.
Special delivery for Chrissy Sprayberry.
Why, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
What a nice delivery guy. Let's go and open it up and see what it is. Well, I just can't wait to see what's in this box. What could it be? I did order a few things, you know. Oh, exactly what I love. Dice, cards, some more place value cards, and a box of my gluten-free cereal. So, what could I do with a box, cereal, dice, and cards? I've got the perfect idea. We are going to do a lesson today on the box method with multiplication, and we're going to do the traditional way too. So let's start with the box way first, because some of you might have forgotten how to do that. So the cool thing about the things in this box are you can take the dice, you can roll your numbers or have your sibling roll your number. Okay, I got 43. So let's write down 43 times 24. Okay, so today we're just going to focus on solving the problems. No word problems today. That will come on Wednesday. But we're just going to work on break apart the tens and break apart the ones. So I want you to draw your box. I want you to break apart the 40 and the 3 and the 20 and the 4. Let's put our little multiplication sign right there. Okay, so remember what to do. 2 times 4 is 8. Count your zeros. Go over to the next box. 2 times 3 is 6. You have 1 0 to pop on. 4 times 4 is 16. You have 1 0. And then 4 times 3 is 12. So my next step is to add up each of the boxes. And if you see this as 860, you may group them together. You want to check off that you use those. 160. You get 1020. And then add on your 12. So your answer should be 1032. So you know what I'm going to say next. Just to double check yourself, I want you to do the traditional way too. So here's what I want you to do. Let me erase this so we can have a little more room. So the traditional way, we line up 43 times 24. Okay, I still want you to put your turtle head on just to keep your column straight. 4 times 3 is 12. Carry your 1. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Drop your 0 because you just multiplied the ones column. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2, 7 and 6 is 13. 8, 9, 10. I get 1032. I want you to also multiply a couple of other different ways today. So, this year, we've learned up to 4 by 1s. So while you're practicing at home, maybe this time we'll take cards. And if you want the king and the queen to be something, you may say they're wild cards or whatever, you can do that. So I may pick a 6 and a 5. And then maybe you shuffle them a little bit and you have a 9 and a 4. So, you can line those out however you want to. I may say 9,465 times, let's pull one out of the deck, 3. So, remember to start. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 1 more is 19. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 more is 13. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1 more is 28. Could you do the box method on that? Yes, you could. If you wanted to really work hard today and to recheck yourself, you could draw your box. You would only have the 3 right there. You'd break apart the 9,640. Oops, this was the 4. This is the 6, and this is the 5. So if you wanted to get fancy and a little advanced today, 3 times 9 is 27. Count your zeros. 3 times 4 is 12. Slash your zeros. 3 times 6 is 18. Slash your 0. And then 3 times 5 is 15. So, line up your numbers. You have 0, 0, 2, 8, and 2. So you have 28,200. And if you want to put these together right here, you can. These two combined would be 195. And that would give you 28,395. That is a great way to recheck yourself. Now, if you want to use your place value cards, you could do the exact same thing. You could shuffle your cards up, and you might want to do a 3 by 1. So you might want to do 617 times 4. So you could do a 2 by 2, you could do a 3 by 1, you can do a 4 by 1. Now I for sure want you to practice your box method, your partial product method, using your 2 by 2s. I want you to get those down today. So this is also part of the homework this week. So really you could get an early start. Go ahead and make 3 or 4 problems today, save those, and you can put those with the division. Now I'm still looking for some students that will make up some multiplication and division problems for me for Wednesday and Thursday's video. I really need those. I have one person that's already sent one, and it was a really great challenging one. I think those make the learning fun, and I think it's neat that you get to see your friends. So please think about sending me a text message with your video on it. I hope you have a great Monday. Hope you have a fun week. It's going to be Unit 3 and 4. I think you're really going to like it. If you have any questions, be sure to call me, hit like, and subscribe.